How to turn on or off quiet mode on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off quiet mode on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app and here click on those three lines up there. Scroll down or click on the setting icon beside the search icon up there. Wait for a second. And now scroll down and click on your time on Facebook. Now click on see tools and you have quiet mode to mute most push notifications and limit notification dots. Now click on it and turn on this option and click choose time and click on apply. And this is it. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.